For today's eyeshadow look, I'm creating this smoky brown look. I'm starting out with the Buxom Forever Babe eyeshadow palette. I'm using the quad on the far right of this palette. It says Sexy Be Fierce on the bottom. And then I'm using the top left shade on that quad. I'm using an Omnia BOM-416 brush, applying that all over the lid and then bringing it up to like a little bit past the crease as well. And then I'm dipping into that shade again, and I'm using an Omnia BOM-429 brush to blend out like that top edge. I did dip into a little bit more of the product to blend it out further, but not adding a whole bunch more. And I'm just slowly blending that up towards the brow bone so we have like a soft diffused look. With the 429 brush again, I'm dipping into that shade in the bottom right and softly applying that to the outer corner and just slowly building it up. I'm kind of creating a V shape in the outer corner and then just slowly blending it out as I go. I did have to dip into a little bit more of that lighter brown shade to help blend this out a little bit because it was looking a little harsh as I went. I kind of added too much. So to bring it backwards a little bit, I added a little bit more of that brown, and then I'm sweeping it inwards towards the middle of the eye and then blending out that top edge. Then with the Buxom Flip Side Liner and Shadow Duo, I'm using that champagne shadow little stick on the end to apply it to the very inner corner of the eye, and then using the eyeliner on the other end to tightline my lower waterline, adding a little inner corner wing, and then I'm lining just the front portion of my lash line, bringing it about halfway, keeping the line about the thickness of the eyeliner itself, and then just cleaning up that edge. And I like to wiggle it into my lashes so there's no gaps. With that light brown shade again, I'm using the Omnia BOM-515 brush to wiggle that into the lower lash line and then go over the liner in the inner corner. With the Buxom Flip Side Liner and Shadow Duo in shade Back to Black, I'm using the black liner to line the upper waterline and then create a wing in the outer corner and then connect it to the brown liner that we added in the front portion of the lash line. This doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to use that 515 brush again to clean it up. Using that liner brush to kind of move around the eyeliner a little bit to make it a little bit sharper, taking it on the top edge, and then just adding more liner as needed. Using the 515 brush, dipping into that bottom right shade, and then going over the liner just to fill in any gaps. I tightlined after the liner, but anyways, I used concealer to clean up the wing in the outer corner, finish the look with some lashes and mascara, and here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!